Welcome to ASP NET and SQL Academy. In this part, we will start building a real front end using React inside an ASP.NET Core project. By the end, you will have your first integrated full stack application running. React is one of the most popular front end libraries. Its component based architecture lets you reuse code easily and it communicates perfectly with the ASP.NET Core APIs, making your applications interactive and scalable. Here is the plan. We will create an ASP.NET Core Web API project, add Node.js, initialize a React app, and then connect the front end to our backend API endpoints. Start by creating a new Web API project in Visual Studio. Enabling Swagger helps us test endpoints quickly. Once it runs, make sure the default API endpoints returns data successfully. Inside your project folder, we create a React app using npx create React app. This generates all the boilerplate. Navigate into the app and run npm start. Your React app should open in the browser. The ASP.NET Core project handles backend logic while React lives inside the client app folder. Here, app.js is the main component and package.json manages all front-end dependencies. We use fetch or Axios to call ASP.NET Core API endpoints. Use effect ensures the API is called once when the component loads. The data is stored in state and can be displayed dynamically in the UI. React's strength is components. We create a product list component to map over API data and a product item component for individual products. Props allows us to pass data seamlessly. You can style your components with regular CSS or frameworks like Bootstrap. Using classes, you can make your app visually appealing quickly while keeping it responsive. React makes handling user input easily through controlled components. The input value is linked to state and event handlers like onChange or onClick trigger actions such as API calls or UI updates. Now we connect React to the ASP.NET backend. You can fetch data, display it, and even perform full CRUD operations. This demonstrates a real full stack application workflow. Run both the ASP.NET backend and the React frontend. Open the browser and you will see your React app calling API endpoints live. Congratulations, your first full stack integration is working. To summarize, we have set up a React front-end connected to it an ASP.NET Core API, created reusable components and displayed dynamic data. This is the foundation for modern full-stack web apps. In the next part, we will dive deeper into the state management, advanced React patterns, and building more complex interfaces inside ASP.NET project. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Don't miss the next episode where we will tackle state management and advanced React features in ASP.NET Core.